Alright, what's up with y'all? Hope you guys had a good morning. Market opens here in a second. Right now, gonna have to monitor this 15-minute gap because currently it's still respecting it on ES, but completely, I don't know why I did that. Completely inversed it. I was assuming this market open was probably gonna be kind of crazy just because of all the war news. So we'll see what happens. I'm kind of expecting potentially to not trade today, but I don't know. We'll see. We had an insane bull run. I mean, I kind of said this though. Um, Everyone was thinking the market was like gonna crash or something, but or not everyone, but like just people that aren't really that educated about just like how it kind of works. But in my opinion, the war news was definitely very bullish. Rich get richer, you know what I mean? So yeah. But right now we're opening kind of bearish right now. We broke structure on the 5 minute to the downside. Um, we'll see what happens here, bro. It's like we're so overextended as well, so it's like we ought to have a retrace, right? That's the thing. Where it's like that's pushing it, but that's not gonna happen. But like, I mean, I feel like it's almost obvious to try and get these hourly lows, like London low, but we either will smack it right now or we're probably gonna like manipulate the crap out of some people, but it's like we could just click short right now and we probably, but I mean, we're not going to do that. Yeah, we're just about to hit it right now. So, um, that was really my kind of my big draw on liquidity, low key. This and this low, but I don't know. I mean, we'll see. It's like if we were gonna want to move higher, I think we for sure have to take this low. But it's like I hate longing when we're already like, bro, we're already like freaking, I don't even know how much up this is from like last night. Like insane amounts. Or what's today? Wednesday? Yeah, so it's literally since yesterday, up about 5%. From we've moved about 5% since, like, which is crazy. Like, look at this. Freaking crazy. So yeah, Bresky. We'll just sit here and wait. If we don't catch anything, that's so chill. Does not matter. Oh, tell me what you willing to do. It's a better, baby. $30 insane news yesterday, bro. Not really for sure how we're gonna want to move, so just gonna have to stay patient. Just, I think we just took out, yeah, we just took out London session lows. Ow. Sorry. Yeah, I mean, I'd like to see these get taken out though. Like this other hourly. That'd be nice because we go a little lower time frame. It's low key, low resistance, liquidity here. That's kind of what I like, low key. Low key. I don't know if we'd want to go below this one, but yeah, I mean, we got some low resistance liquidity here that we could potentially want to seek out. Whether it's all this, but I don't know if we would want to do that, fill orders all the way down, but potentially at least to this hourly or here. So, or yeah, is it the third one? Yeah. So, so it's like obviously gonna have to look at order flow and get entry models and see what we're even doing off of gaps and stuff if we're gonna even want to short, but we did just hit a session low right now and we are getting a push off it, but that is expected. So, a good point though. I saw this morning, I saw a video of like the one good thing about this news that came out really what is like um what am I trying to say? Is like hopefully there won't really be many Trump tweets for the rest of the week at least. I assume. I could totally be wrong. I don't know what the heck goes on, but this is an unfortunate situation just cuz like what is this, bro? It's hard to predict this right now. I'm not gonna lie. And like and like I don't have to trade, you know? I don't need to get in a trade, so it's like um but I mean, yeah, bro. So see if this gap form. Ideally, we get a 4 hour retrace though. That's the thing. But yeah, I'm a little more opposed to not have to take anything. I mean, just we moved about 5% overnight, so we got to keep that in mind. Got to keep in mind higher time frame we're bullish. You know, we are due for a retrace of some sort because but it's like I don't need to force something. I mean, if I can see something and it's presenting itself, but uh, we'll see. If we take this too without like it's kind of it's difficult for me to want to trade, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, we just smacked that. So Now it's a sense of, well, this is kind of an even more difficult situation now. Um, so I mean, dude, yeah, this is gonna be, yeah, bro. Yes, should smash this here in a second. It looks like we made equal lows, damn near. Yeah, smack that shit, bro. So we're, hey, hey. Yeah, this is just a scenario where we gotta be careful, bro. We gotta be careful because we are currently ripping right now. I mean, we're kind of doing what I said, but um, so kind of said we have all this low resistance here. May want to seek it out. Yeah, my head low key hurt. Dude. Not on mute right now. Dude, my freaking neck hurts, boy. So about to take this. We're kind of close on a yes. Taking this hourly low, I think. Yep, it's the hourly. Thoughts that control me until something bad. There's a million things I could say. Yeah, I'm not seeing really any trades yet, so just gotta stay patient in here. There's literally no retraces yet. I mean, we just got this on the 5 or on the 1 min. We kind of want to see what we do off London lows, probably. Because we just took out on ES. This is kind of where we're probably going to want to start seeing some sort of um, story of where we want to go. Sorry, bro. My fucking neck hurts. Take it back all night. Sucks because no, no 5 minute gaps. I'm, I'm just stay patient, bro. I'm just stay patient, boy. We're we're starting to see a little extension up. So looks like we broke on the 1 minute. So yeah. So kind of damn, I don't know what that was. Um Low key, what I'm kind of wanting to wait for is what's it called? A 1 minute break probably back to the downside. Um wow, that was a crazy candle though. What I was saying was like I'd want to see like some sort of break back to the downside probably on the 1 minute, showing like a change in order flow really, and then boom, coming into maybe a 5 minute confluence or something like probably equilibrium, unless we play off a 5 minute gap, but I doubt we'll get that. So like equilibrium will be nice, and then literally just get 1 minute break, maybe something like that. But I could totally be wrong, but I don't mind what's going on here. We just have to, because then that would also be considered um 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 This is fire that we respected this gap and then closed bullish. So and this is why we don't enter that, because easily can come back down and then we can just continue lower. So that's all just in theory. That's just like and this is kind of what I said. This is what I said because we don't enter that. Because look, still had opportunity to go lower in my opinion, and that's what we did. Because we were still what's it called? Bearish on the 5 minute. So we're getting legs down, going shit. We're shitting bricks right now. Um, so bearish on both indexes right now. So they're aligned right now. So this is kind of invalidating what I said. So right now, and it's like but it's just like hard to want to take shorts even because we already took out some some good draws. Mm. We gotta see though. Still potential for longs in my opinion actually. Because this would if we inverse this gap up here, this would disrespect bullish order flow. It'd be nice to start with inversing this one, but that would be kind of invalidating the trend because we also just kind of swept this low. So we could totally see if that's the case. Now that means we'd have to come all the way back up here and start invalidating this shit because that would invalidate bearish order flow, but which in trend would make the market move up in simple terms. So then we can long that bitch. But bunch of uncertainty. Bunch of uncertainty. So you're chilling. Yeah. Let's see if we can get at least a break of structure. I mean, I would want probably a little more than a break, but it's like also though in the back of my mind, I feel like I'm a little bit ambitious for trying to take longs right now. But at the same time, if we do what I said, then it's valid. But right now, it's not looking fucking great. So I mean, doesn't look bad. Doesn't look bad right here. This would be a break. I, I mean, we have this be technically this be a bullish SMT. Bro, Zara, stop. Dead ass. Hey, stop, bro. You're gonna get locked up. Yeah. Mm, nah. I don't know. I don't love this, brother. I don't love it, brother, so I'm not gonna take it. We gotta see, bro. I don't like these wicks right now. I'm not gonna just enter off a break, so gotta see it come into a 5 minute confluence if we get a break. So I think we put in a new, well, potentially. We gotta be patient here, bro. Don't get trigger happy. Don't get fucking trigger happy right now. Lock in. Let's see if we put in this new high here. Zara. We did, so we indeed did. Drums. We just keep pushing lower and lower, little bruh. So, see what we do, man. See what price will give us. Hey, kitty. What you doing? What's up? What are you doing? What are you doing? Another potential bullish SMT on the 1 minute, looks like. Yeah. Okay. Here we go. Still not trying to long just off a break. Because, bro, We gotta have a. We just put in another fucking high. So we did. Zara. We have a. Zara, bro, chill. God. Bro, she needs like a whole playroom, bro.
Does. That's why when we get our 2 bedroom apartment, the second bedroom's gonna be her playroom.
Right, right.
Got it?
Holy, look at these. Oh my gosh, these wicks look horrendous, bro. Like genuinely horrendous. But now we're in a case where we're kind of bullish on the 1 minute on yes, but now right like we gotta wait for them to get in line. Hey, hey, Zara, stop trying to go under my desk, little bro. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing, kitty? Zara, come on, I gotta pay attention. Stop. There's a 1 minute gap. ES doesn't look terrible. NASDAQ looks fucking shit. Looks like shit. I ain't gonna lie. Looks fucking terrible. I'm gonna be real. With ya, no trust. Zara, quit with that bullshit. Zara, stop, bro. Stop. Hey, stop. Stop it. Hey, what has gone into you, bro? Hey. We need ES to come into this gap at least. I'm not gonna lie. That'll stop some people out, manipulate, and then that'll give Nas a chance to figure out what it wants. Maybe come up here, and then they're both aligned. Then we can take a trade. But that's ideal scenario. Whether we get that, maybe. It's also getting a little later too. Boy, I mean it's like 10:05 New York time, bro. So I mean like we just put in another fucking high. Yep. Well now. See if we inverse this gap. Okay, I think we just We inversed it. NASDAQ did inverse. Like, bro, I swear ES still has to like ES still has to like come down here, bro. I think, in my opinion, dude, it has to. I mean, I guess it doesn't have to, but I'd like it to happen right now. Like literally within the next minute or two, or like 3 minutes. Yeah, sorry, dead ass. Stop! I'm gonna lock you up. Hey. Laundry one. Get over here. Hey, holy shit, we swept out the lows. It did exactly what I said. Alright, I don't mind this now. I don't mind this now, broski. I do not mind this. If we get a break, I'm gonna take this shit. If we get a break, I'll take this shit. Fuck it. Bro, this is risky, fam. This is risky. I need a break. I need a break. I need a break. This could be a really good trade in my opinion. But if we get a break, I'm finna de-risk on this, bro. What do we want to risk on this? Uh, cool. Frick, bro. What do we? We're even. Holy sh! Holy shit! That is why we do not enter that. Let's go. We didn't enter. We're smart as fuck. Okay, so we wanted to sweep it again. That might have been the actual move down we needed. That may have been the proper move down we wanted. If we can wait 30 more seconds, maintain this fucking gap. Let's maintain this gap and get a clean inversion. Please maintain this, bro. Chill. Maintain this. Maintain this gap. 5 seconds. Ah, bro, really? Oh my fuck. Now there's no inverse, really, dude. Did we on? We didn't hold that freaking gap. Uh, all right. I need to wait for a break now. What happened? Jesus. We're kind of moving crazy right now. These candles are insane. So I'm not opposed to having to trade this. Um, but I really would have loved if we formed that gap like what we were seeing a little bit earlier. I want to love you. This is why patient pays right here. We put in a new high. That's good at least. A little bit of a better spot. Still a fat stop. It's a little ambitious right there, but I mean, still debating, just waiting for this break. Need to see a break on both. I would like to anyway. Okay, so we have a new break of structure point. Um, if we don't get a break here, I mean, our longs are kind of smoked. So, uh, yeah, bro. And off this 1 minute, I don't even think I want to enter anyway. This looks like shit. I mean, fuck, dude. I want to, but I don't. The hourly doesn't look great, to be frank. I'm gonna be real. All right, let's see if we get a 1 minute break. How much are you gonna risk on this? 3. I don't mind risking that. Let's see. Bruh, we didn't get it. We didn't get it. Zara, stop. Bro, Zara, chill, chill, chill.
Tree. Not be a good girl, not bad.
Alright, bro, we gotta have a fucking break right here. So, we must get a freaking break. This shit just, oh, dude. Um, probably, probably just not worth it to take it, man. It's probably not worth it to take it. It's not really smart. This is almost hopes and dreams. Uh, well, you see now it's Brody. Brody. It's probably not smart to answer this shit. I really want to if we get the break, but we're hesitating so much. Nah, we're not gonna take this. Yeah, we're good. We're good. We swept this high out too, and now we're like low key rotating off that bitch. This 1 minute looks fucking terrible. Low key SMT. Low key 904. Low key and SMT, bro. Low key, I think. Oh wait, no. What time is this one at? 9 o'clock? Oh yeah. Yeah, we're big chillin' bresky. Glad I waited. I'm glad I waited, man. I am super glad I waited. Yeah, anyway. Alright. Well, this will probably be it for the day because yeah, we're chilling. We'll hop off here before we start taking stupid trades. But yeah, bro, that's fire. We waited for our confluences. They didn't hit and probably would have got stopped out if I entered. So, anyways, I love and appreciate y'all. We'll be back tomorrow probably. Or I don't even know what news looks like to be frank, but should be big chilling. Anyways, I'll see y'all. Peace.